it's me, your girl Cyril, and for today's video, I'm going to take you with me in my daily routine.
First thing in the morning, I wash my face and make sure to apply Salitic to make your skin glow. Make sure to wash your face thoroughly for the bacteria to go away. After applying, rinse with water. Make sure to rinse your face thoroughly to make sure that there's no bacteria left behind. After rinsing, pat dry your face using tissue. After washing your face, make sure that you brush your teeth. Brushing your teeth is very important for your body hygiene. So after that, I went straight to the market to buy foods for our lunch.
So after going to the market, ito na yung mga pinamili nating gulay at prutas. So, come on!
To keep your fruits fresh and clean, you have first to rinse it with water. Rinsing the fruits with water makes the fruits taste longer. After rinsing with water, put it in a strainer before storing in the fridge. After cleaning the fruits and vegetables, now we are here to clean the kitchen. Since my mother already cleaned the kitchen, I will just clean it again to make it more cleaner. Wipe it with a fabric towel to make it more cleaner and shiny. After cleaning the sink and the cooking area, we are now here to mop the floor to make it more shiny and cleaner. Finish it with a broom to brush all the dirts away. So that's the end of the vlog. See you guys next vlog.